Yo, what's up everybody, it's AKM Tech and we're back with another video. Now, have you ever thought about getting paid to write about tech, like actually making bank with your tech knowledge? No degree, no problem. Today, I'm diving deep into 7 websites that will pay you top dollar, think 300, 500, even 600 plus per article, just for sharing your tech expertise. We're talking about in-depth tutorials, insightful guides, the kind of stuff that gets developers hyped. Whether you're a coding whiz, a Linux guru, or a cloud computing fanatic, there's a platform out there for you. I'm breaking down the best sites, the topics they crave, and the insider tips to get your pitches accepted. So, if you're ready to turn your tech skills into a side hustle or even a full-time gig, stick around because this video is about to get very lucrative. First up, we've got SitePoint. These guys are all about web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you name it. They're constantly looking for practical tutorials and code samples that their audience can actually use. Think real-world coding solutions, new tech trends you're hyped about, that kind of stuff. The best part, they pay between 150 to 300 plus per article. Not bad for sharing your coding knowledge, right? Now, a little pro tip. When you're pitching to SitePoint, make sure you include some code samples. Show them you're not just talking the talk, you're walking the walk. They want to see that you can actually code and explain things in a way that even beginners can understand. So if you're comfortable with the front end, hit up SitePoint. You might be surprised at how much you can earn. Next, we're talking about Linode, now part of Akamai. This is the go-to platform for all things cloud computing. We're talking servers, Linux, DevOps, the whole 9 yards. Linode loves in-depth guides with step-by-step tutorials. Think of it like this. You're holding someone's hand and guiding them through the world of cloud computing. They're paying 300 to 500 per guide, and trust me, these guides can get pretty extensive. But that's a good thing. It means you have more space to flex your knowledge and really dive deep into a topic. If you're passionate about Linux, if you live and breathe cloud infrastructure, then Linode is where it's at. Get those tutorials ready because they're hungry for high-quality content. Alright, moving on to DigitalOcean Community. This platform is all about infrastructure, back-end technologies, command line magic, databases, basically, the backbone of the internet. They're looking for deep, technical content that helps developers build amazing things. Now here's the kicker. DigitalOcean Community pays between 300 to 600 per tutorial. That's right, you can earn up to 600 just for sharing your expertise. But here's the thing, they're not looking for surface-level stuff. They want you to go deep, to explain complex concepts in a way that even someone new to the tech scene can grasp. If you can break down complicated things into simple, digestible pieces, then DigitalOcean Community is your jam. Chapter 4, Auth0 Blog by Okta. Let's talk about Auth0 Blog, now part of Okta. This is a niche platform, but that's what makes it so great. They're hyper-focused on authentication, APIs, security, and all things JavaScript. If you're a security enthusiast, if you know how to write secure code and explain complex security concepts in plain English, then this is your calling. Auth0 Blog pays between $300 to $500 per article, and they're always looking for fresh perspectives. They want to know the latest security threats, the best practices for securing applications, and how developers can level up their security game. So if you're passionate about building secure systems and you're a JavaScript ninja, head over to Auth0 Blog and start pitching. Chapter 5, Semaphore Master the Art of CI/CD. Alright, let's talk about Semaphore. These guys are all about CI/CD, automation, Docker, testing, basically everything you need to streamline your development workflow. They're looking for deep, high-quality tech tutorials that teach developers how to build better software faster. Now, Semaphore is serious about quality, so they're paying top dollar for it. We're talking $300 to $500 per article. But here's the catch, they want experts. If you're a DevOps pro, if you live and breathe automation, if you can write a mean test script, then Semaphore is your oyster. They want to see that you've got the skills and the experience to back up your writing. Chapter 6, Smashing Magazine, where design meets development. Now for all you design-savvy developers out there, let's talk about Smashing Magazine. This is the holy grail for front-end developers, UI, UX designers, and anyone passionate about creating beautiful, user-friendly websites. They cover a wide range of topics from front-end development and design systems to accessibility and performance optimization. Smashing Magazine pays between $200 to $500 per article, and they have a massive global audience, but here's the thing, they're very picky about their content. They want well-written, insightful articles that are both informative and engaging. They also appreciate strong visuals, so make sure your articles are visually appealing. Chapter 7, Toptal Engineering Blog, the elite league of tech writing. Last but not least, we have the Toptal Engineering Blog. This is the big leagues, guys. Toptal is known for its exclusive network of freelance software engineers and designers, and their blog reflects that high standard. They're looking for elite insights, in-depth technical articles, and thought-provoking pieces that push the boundaries of software engineering. Now, Toptal pays top dollar for their content. We're talking $300 to $600+ per article. But here's the caveat, you need to be at the top of your game. They want to see proof of expertise, whether it's through your work experience, open source contributions, or published articles. If you're confident in your skills and you're ready to rub shoulders with the best in the industry, then step up to the plate and pitch to Toptal. So there you have it, guys. 7 incredible websites that will pay you serious cash for sharing your tech expertise. Remember, getting your foot in the door might take some effort. Have some writing samples ready to showcase your style and expertise. Pitch unique angles on trending tech topics, or go deep into a niche that you're passionate about. Most importantly, keep your writing clear, actionable, and engaging. And if you've got a GitHub profile or any personal projects, don't be shy about linking them. It adds credibility and shows you're the real deal. The tech world is hungry for knowledge, and these platforms are ready to pay for it. So, what are you waiting for? Start writing, start earning, and turn that tech knowledge into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time gig.